Ever wonder what gives cheese its creamy texture, yogurt its delicious taste, or kimchi its sharp bite? The answer lies in tiny but mighty microorganisms. Today, we're uncovering how microbes help to ferment these tasty foods. Let's dive in. Fermentation is an ancient process where microorganisms like bacteria, yeasts, and molds break down sugars and starches in food into acids, gases, or alcohol. But fermentation isn't just about yummy drinks and snacks. This technique has been around for thousands of years, way before fancy refrigerators. People used it to preserve food, like turning cabbage into sauerkraut or milk into cheese. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't fermentation kind of gross? Well, not really. This process is powered by the good guys, and not only do they give us delicious foods like cheese and yogurt, they're also good for your gut health. That's because they are packed with probiotics, which can lead to better digestion, stronger immunity, and even an improved mood. You can watch our last video to learn how microorganisms in your tummy contribute to your well-being. So how do microbes help us make these foods? Let's start with cheese. As you may already know, cheese is made from milk. Lactic acid bacteria begin the fermentation process by feasting on the sugars in milk. They produce lactic acid as they eat, which causes the milk to curdle, separating into curds and whey. Other types of bacteria help make cheese. Besides bacteria, molds such as penicillium also make some cheeses, like blue cheeses. Next, let's move on to yogurt. This, too, is made by fermenting milk with bacteria. They thicken the milk and give yogurt its unique tangy flavor. What about kimchi, a traditional Korean dish made from fermented vegetables? Just like yogurt and cheese, bacteria preserve the vegetable and give it that signature sour taste. And the list goes on. From tangy sourdough bread to bubbly kombucha, savory miso to creamy kefir, the world of fermented foods is vast and varied. Each one relies on the diverse communities of microorganisms that live within them. So, next time you enjoy a piece of cheese, a spoonful of yogurt, or a bite of kimchi, remember the microbes that made it possible. These tiny organisms work hard to make your food tasty and nutritious. Pretty impressive for such small creatures. But these little friendly allies don't stop at food. In our next video, we'll explore how they help us with recycling and waste management. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Leave a comment below about your favorite fermented food and why.